Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how we can make chicken korma. First, let's prepare the chicken. Cut 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken into 1-inch pieces. In a bowl, combine the chicken with half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices like turmeric and red chili powder. Mix well to coat, then marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours for a deeper flavor. Next, we'll create the essential flavor base for our korma. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and sauté 2 large, thinly sliced onions until they turn a deep golden brown. This step is vital for the korma's sweetness and color. Once cooled slightly, blend these fried onions with 1/4 cup of soaked cashews and a splash of water until you achieve a perfectly smooth, thick paste. This forms the heart of our rich sauce. Now, let's bring it all together. In the same pan, add the marinated chicken along with whole spices such as green cardamom pods, cloves, and a bay leaf. Cook until the chicken is lightly browned on all sides. Then, incorporate the smooth onion cashew paste we just made. Stir well and cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for that signature rich, velvety texture. To finish our delicious chicken korma, reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is perfectly tender and the sauce has thickened to your liking. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Before serving, garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro and a small drizzle of ghee for an extra touch of richness. Serve this aromatic and creamy chicken korma hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. Enjoy your homemade feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.